Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, today in this class we discuss important questions on inequalities with the modulus symbol, with the modulus function. See this question. The number of integers satisfying mod 2x minus 3 plus mod x plus 5 less than or equal to mod of x minus 8. Dear students, if you have like this shooted point mod x1 plus mod x2 less than or equal to mod of x1 minus x2, squaring on both sides, we get x1 into x2 less than or equal to 0. Bring terms to this side. Finally, please remember this point. Generally, mod x1 into mod x2 less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. Generally, mod is always positive. Mod is always positive, no doubt at all. Less than or equal to means x1 and x2 are unknown values. Some may be positive, some may be negative. For example, x1 is negative, this value becomes minus x1. If x2 is positive, it becomes x2. This value becomes a negative value. If x2 is negative, x1 is positive, then its product becomes less than or equal to. When x2 is negative, mod x2 becomes minus x2. Here I written x1 into x2. Please remember that one. So, if you have mod x1 plus mod x2 less than or equal to mod x1 minus x2, or mod x1 minus mod x2 less than or equal to mod x1 plus x2, in such cases, x1, x2 less than or equal to 0. Since here we have less than or equal to symbol. If you have greater than or equal to, that this symbol becomes greater than or equal to. What is the condition given? Mod 2x minus 3 plus mod x plus 5 less than or equal to mod x minus 8. Students, our shooted point is mod x1 plus mod x2 less than or equal to mod x1 minus x2. So make this inequality like this. Here 2x minus 3 plus x plus 5. Write down this x minus 8 as 2x minus 3 minus x plus 5. See, multiply minus 2x minus x is x, minus into plus minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. So from this shooted point, 2x minus 3 into x plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Students, if you have like this x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0, alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to beta, it is another point, shooted point. Alpha is small, beta is big. Write down x plus 5 as x minus of minus 5. Take 2 common and cross multiply because here x coefficients 1. It becomes x minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to 0. According to this formula, it is minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 by 2. The number of integers satisfying integers in this interval are what? Integers of x are equal to is there minus 5, minus 4, x is more than minus 5. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Students, 3 by 2 is 1.5. X value should be less than 1.5. Since integer between less than 1.5, integer is 1 only. Now number of integers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Next question, the solution set of mod x plus 1 by x greater than 2. Students, before going to solution set, this function must be defined. It should be defined. That means you should be find domain. This function defined when x is not equal to 0. If n x is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. So, given x plus 1 by x greater than 2, it's possible when x not equal to 0. That is very, very important. See, take LCM mod x square plus 1 by x greater than 2. Dear students, we can separate the mod x1 by x2 equal to mod x1 by mod x2. Here x square plus 1 is always positive. So you can take it mod outside. X square plus 1 by mod x. Since mod x is always positive, we can cross multiply. X square plus 1 greater than 2 mod x. Now students, we write it as x square is also mod x whole square. Nothing wrong. So this in place of x we write mod x square. Bring this to this side to mod x with a minus plus 1 greater than 0, which is equal to mod x minus 1 whole square greater than 0. Students, whole square is always positive, greater than 0, no doubt at all. But when the mod x equal to 1, it becomes 0. 0 greater than 0 is not possible. So it possible when mod x minus 1 not equal to 0. In other cases, it is some value with a square definitely greater than 0. From this, mod x not equal to 1. From this, x not equal to plus or minus 1. When you remove the mod, this value becomes plus or minus. My dear students, first condition is x not equal to 0. Second condition is x not equal to plus or minus 1. He wants solution set. Except these values, this inequality holds good. So, solution set is r minus, remove the undefined values. So minus 1, 0, 1. So this is the solution set of this inequality. Next question. The number of integral values of x satisfying the equation mod of x minus, again mod x minus 4 equal to 4 is. Dear students, first mod inside another mod is there. First of all, let f of x equal to mod of x minus mod of x minus 4. First you remove the inner mod. See, if x value is less than 4, that means it becomes a negative. When it is negative, x minus 4 negative, mod value becomes minus of x minus 4. So mod of x minus of x minus 4. When x greater than or equal to 4, x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0, mod x minus 4 becomes x minus 4. If If inner value is positive, when you remove the mod, same value will come. Mod of x minus 4, which is equal to minus into is minus plus 2x minus 4. Take 2 common, it becomes 2 into x minus 4, x minus 2. When you take 2 common, when you multiply x, it becomes only 4. It is when x less than 4, it is when x greater than or equal to 4. Students, our question is, we consider this as f of x equal to 4. Since f of x equal to 4 implies 2 into mod x minus 2 equal to 4 in case of x less than 0, and 4 exactly f of x equal to 4 when x greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 4, sorry. 2 getting cancelled, mod x minus 2 equal to 2. X minus 2, it becomes plus or minus 2. When you take plus, it becomes 4. When you take minus, getting cancelled 0. So now x equal to 4 is in here also. So we take only 0 case here. Here f of x equal to 4 when x greater than or equal to 0. That means x belongs to 4 comma infinity. Now solution set for this inequality 0 union closed 4 to infinity. He asked the number of integral values of x. In closed interval 4 to infinity, we have infinite number of integral values. Integral value means pure numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7 like this and so on. These are all called integral values. So number of integral values means infinite values. Number of integral values equal to infinite. Understood, students? See this question, students. The set of values of x satisfying mod of x square minus 5x plus 4 by x square minus 4 less than or equal to. Students, shooted point is mod x less than or equal to a implies minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. So from that, given inequality becomes minus 1 less than or equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 by x square minus 4 less than or equal to 1. So first you take 1 by 1 condition, students. First you take 1 by 1 condition. X square minus 5x plus 4 by x square minus 4 minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Take this to this side. If you take this to this side, x square minus 5x plus 4 by x square minus 4. When you take this to, it becomes plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Take LCM, we get x square minus 5x plus 4 minus x square plus 4 by x square minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Now students, minus 5x plus 8 minus 5x. Why we write it as x minus 2 into x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now we use sine curve sine change method or sine change curve method. That means here critical points, that means its denominator undefined or this value equal to 0 when those points are critical points. X equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 8 by 5 are critical points of this inequality. sign change curve. Take here, what are the points here? Minus 2, 2, in between we have 0 and 1 like that. X equal to 5 by 8 means 1.6, 8 by 5, 2. My dear students, this value is less than or equal to 0. Please remember that, less than or equal to 0. In between minus 2, 8.5, we take any one value, let be minus 1. Substitute minus 1 here. What happened? For minus 1 it is positive, it is a negative, total value negative. That means in this interval we have a negative. In between 8 by 5 to 2, 8 by 5 means 1.6, 2. Let us take the in between these two we have some value. If it is negative, it is 0 and then becomes positive. Negative to positive vastundi because at 8 by 5 it is 0. When x 8 by 5 0, negative, positive. Where it is a negative value, after this it becomes again negative. Before this it is positive. We call it as sign change curve. Okay, interval లో నెగిటివ్ అని తెలిస్తే అదర్ ఇంటర్వెల్ లో పాజిటివ్, మళ్ళీ 2 దగ్గర ఇది అన్డిఫైన్డ్ అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. వీటిని క్రిటికల్ పాయింట్స్ అంటాం. Here it is negative. Where we have negative terms? Here negative, here negative. Therefore, x belongs to negative is minus 2 comma 8 by 5 union negative value. After 2 to infinity negative. After 2 to infinity negative. When it is 0, x equal to 8 by 5, it is 0. Take closed interval for 8 by 5. Take closed interval. When x equal to 2, it is undefined. Don't take closed interval. Understood, students? Now again take LCM here. X square minus 5x plus 4 plus x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. It is 2x square, 4 getting cancelled, minus 5x by x square minus 4 greater than means positive. Take x common, x into 2x minus 5 by x, we write it as x minus 2 into x plus 2. If you have inequality like this, use sign change curve. Sign change curve. Change of curve, sign of the curve change, in which interval, Between the critical points you take one value. Here critical points are x equal to 0. If you take x equal to 0, it becomes x equal to 5 by 2. Understood? Next, undefined values are x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. Now take sign change curve process. Here is minus 2 and then comes to 0. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Here is 2. Here is 5 by 2. My dear students, in between minus 2 to 0, you take minus 1. Minus 1. It is negative. When minus 1, it is negative. It is positive. Total value is negative. Take number below the minus 2. Let us take minus 3. Negative, minus 3, negative, negative, negative. Total value positive. Before minus 2. below the minus to positive, negative, next comes to positive, next comes to negative, next comes to positive. Let us check. In between 2 to 3, 5 by 2, we take 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5, just here also. 2.5, in between 2 to 2.5, let us take one value, 2.4. Positive, 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 2.4, negative. So here is negative. What is the condition here? Greater than means positive value. Where you have positive? In between minus 2 to minus 2 is positive. 0 to 2 is positive. For 0 we have closed interval. For 2 is also closed interval. But at x equal to it is undefined. So take open interval. Positive after 5 by 2. 5 by 2 to infinity. After 5 by 2 positive value. My dear students, this inequality holds good for common values of these two. Common values of these two. What are the common values for these two? Tell me common values. In between 0 to 2, here minus 2 to 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is 1.6. From 0 to 8 by 5 is in here. Solution set is you take common interval. Tell me common interval. 0 to 8 by 5. Union. Next common interval here 2 to infinity. But from here 5 by 2 to infinity. For 5 by 2 it is closed. 5 by 2 to infinity. It is the solution set of this inequality. Okay na students? ఆ వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. బాయ్. జై హింద్.